Hello, welcome back to Aegis Armors. This week we had a Tundra Twofer, both black, both 2022s. One was a TRD model and the other a platinum. So stay tuned at the end of the video to check out the TRD, and right now we'll take a walk around this one. Well, this Toyota Tundra is a 2022 Platinum Edition. It is black with a lot of blue, pearl, and metallic in it. There was a lot of paint correction to be done on this vehicle, a lot of micro swirling. We were able to take care of all that. So as you can see, even though this is a brand new vehicle, there are plenty of fine lines and scratches just from dealership washing. So these are the types of things that need to be removed prior to the ceramic coating being applied, because they'll be amplified if not. Spent about 2.5 days on the paint correction side and polishing before we applied our Aegis Armors ceramic coating to all the exterior paint and door jambs. We also applied our Aegis Armors heavy-duty ceramic wheel and brake coating to the wheel faces, Aegis Armors Black Widow no-sling tire gel to the tires. We also coated all the glass and plastic lenses with Aegis Armors ceramic glass coating. The ceramic glass coating allows the rain to just roll right off the window. Most of the time you don't even have to use your windshield wipers, as shown in the pop-up video right now. We'll do a little close-up on the paint here so you can check it. It definitely looks like a straight gloss black matte. You put some light on it and you can see all the pearl. It really pops in the sunlight. With all the body lines on this truck, the pearl doesn't really pop until the sun gets it at just the right angle, and then you can catch it. It almost gives a two-tone effect of gloss black in between the pearl. On all the unpainted plastic black trim, we applied Cerakote's Plastic and Trim Restore. This is a ceramic coating that will last up to 200 washes. What we talk about with every video on every vehicle is how to wash them and maintain them. Every couple of weeks, you'll take a pressure washer, you'll rinse the vehicle off. You use our Aegis Armor Foam Fury or Spectrum, which is ceramic-based soap. You'll apply these with a foam cannon, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off, and then take a leaf blower and dry the vehicle. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a physical 2-bucket hand wash in the vehicle using grit guards, of course, in your buckets. After that is when you'll use our Aegis Armor Renew product. And this product is designed to basically maintenance and boost the ceramic on the vehicle. It's the only thing you'll need to use on the vehicle after it has the ceramic coating put on it. It can be used on the glass, the wheels, or the paint. We've also got some other do-it-yourself products if anybody's interested in doing those. One of the things we get out with every vehicle that we do is a guide that has a quick do and don't, whether you're going through a car wash or doing a hand wash. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you're looking to get on the schedule, we usually stay booked out about 2 to 3 weeks. Have a great day. Hello, and welcome back to Aegis Armors. Today we're taking a look at this beautiful 2023 Toyota TRD Pro 4x4 Crew Max. This vehicle features a twin-turbo 3.5 V6 engine with a whopping 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, thanks to the hybrid setup it has with the electric motor, and a 10-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. So as you can see in the pictures, there's definitely a lot of scratching, even though this is literally a brand new vehicle. Unfortunately, during transport to the dealerships and even some of the washing that happens at the dealerships, the paint gets marred and micro-scratched. So we have to definitely do a full paint correction and polishing the vehicles before applying ceramic coating. Definitely take a look at the after pictures. You can see that this literally looks like it should from the factory now. Another thing to note is the color of this vehicle. It's midnight black metallic. And the vehicle definitely looked pretty much jet black when it came in. The owner really didn't know they even had metallic in it. Once we did the paint correction, polishing, and added ceramic coating, a lot of the blue metallic really popped out, as well as some of the greens and reds. And the vehicle almost has like a midnight blue look to it now. So enjoy the video. Check us out next week. We've got a really nice 69 Camaro coming up.